Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Sciences, Dr. RML Hospital on Wednesday conducted first heart transplant on a 32-year-old woman, said a statement by the hospital. This is a historic and successful first heart transplant surgery at a central government-run hospital in New Delhi, the statement read. A team of cardiac surgeons from RML Hospital and AIIMS, led by Dr. Narendra Singh Jajaria, reached PGI Chandigarh the same evening and harvested the donor heart, which was then expeditiously flown to New Delhi within 2 hours by dint of a green corridor arranged by PGI MER Chandigarh Delhi and Chandigarh Police Department's airlines manager of Alliance Air, the release stated. The surgery was conducted by Dr. Vijay Grover, head, CTVS, and his team comprising of Dr. Milind Hote, Dr. Narendra Jajaria, Dr. Palash Iyer, and cardiac anesthetists led by Dr. Ramesh Kashev and Dr. Jaswinder Kohli. The surgery started at 9 p.m. on August 21 and was completed at 3 a.m. on August 22. The patient was transferred to CTVS ICU after surgery in a stable condition. The patient is recovering and has been extubated from the ventilator. The Nandini Duggal, director and MSRML Hospital, said, "It is a big achievement and it is a history indeed which has been created by RML doctors here, and it is a very difficult task, but thanks to our dedicated team, because a great team effort, and departments of CTVS, cardiology, blood bank, nodal officers from transplant, our transplant coordinator, then many other services from Chandigarh, from Delhi Airport authorities, AIIMS, and all they worked for hand in hand to make this successful." Another doctor from the team, Dr. Vijay Grover, said this 32-year-old woman had been suffering for 7-8 years before she underwent the longest surgery, which is now normal. She was initially diagnosed with narrated cardiomyopathy when she was a child. The organ donor was a 15-year-old car accident victim who helped save 6 lives by giving up her body parts. This Herculean endeavor was made possible by the seamless coordination of diverse departments, including the blood bank team headed by Dr. Kiran Chaudhary, transplant coordinator of the hospital headed by nodal officer Dr. H.S. Mahapatra, under the overall supervision of Dr. Nandini Duggal, director and medical superintendent, ABVIMS, Dr. RML Hospital. This is a burgeoning need for more such successful heart transplant in the public health service institution in our country, which can benefit a huge stratum of economically disadvantaged patients for far-flung areas. ADVIMS RML Hospital, under the stewardship of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, has taken the first step in this endeavor. Lakshmi Devi, a patient with terminal heart failure following childbirth, was suffering from breathlessness severe enough to curtail even daily routine activities, the hospital said in a press statement. Devi was evaluated at RML Hospital by a team of cardiologists led by Dr. Ranjeev Nath and Dr. Praveen Agarwal, who advised a heart transplantation, following which she was registered with the National Organ Transplantation Organization. A 15-year-old girl who died in a gruesome road accident on August 15 saved the life of 6 people, including a woman from Bihar's Bhagalpur, with her organs. On August 20, at about 9 am, the girl was declared brain dead and was kept on a ventilator to sustain her organs. After counseling by the transplant coordinator at the Chandigarh hospital, her father Ajo Manji, a daily wage labourer, came forward to donate all organs of Basu to needful people suffering from end-stage diseases and awaiting healthy organ to have a new life. On the August of morning 21, the NOTTO released an alert about the availability of a donor's heart at the PGI MER Chandigarh. That's all for now. Keep watching News Site for further updates. Thank you.